If you a guy, this right here is your best friend, your homie. Save you out of trouble, save you some money to get you out of trouble. If you're a female, if you're a woman, you this right here is your boyfriend. Save you some time and money. Basically, it's OB1, OB2 sensor. It basically can basically find codes, even if the check engine light is not on, and definitely if the check engine light is on. It could clear the code so you could pass emissions tests. You could also, I'll get to it after I show you how to use it, what you could do once you find the codes, if some codes come up. Basically, you want to turn your car on. After you plug it to your sensor, you just got to find where your sensor is. In most cars, it's up under the dashboard, near the pedals, brake pedal, acceleration pedal. You're gonna basically turn the car on to the on position. Then you're gonna click read, and it's gonna come up with a series of codes. Most likely, if it's a used car, most likely it's gonna come up with some code or not. Then you wanna click read. Depends on whatever diagnostic tool you got with the buttons you press. This tool right here is about less than 50 bucks. Basically just shows you what the codes are, then you can erase the codes as well. Basically each code you want to write it down, because what you're going to do is you're going to go on YouTube, you're going to put in your car that you have, the model year. You don't have to necessarily put the model year, you could put the make and model, and then the code and the YouTube, and then basically what you want to find out is the part that you need according to what this code is. And each code is usually associated with some type of part or some type of fix that you have to make. And what this is going to do is basically save you some time and money by going ahead, get the parts first. If you know how to put the parts on yourself like me, you save time and money by just putting the parts on. If you don't, you could just buy the parts, and then you could basically just negotiate the labor of what it costs to put the parts on after you get them all. So basically you want to write down each one of these codes, and some diagnostic tools even tell you what the codes are, and then you could also erase the codes by just holding down the erase button, and then it'll basically erase the code. See, check engine light is gone. It was on.